no end to the Karnataka part, Asil. There are hectic parleys that currently are underway, and we're also getting you the statement of Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, the president of the Congress party, who says that he'll call everybody and hold discussions. Rahul Gandhi and other members will also be part of those discussions. The Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. Siddaramaiah, and Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Shiv Kumar, will also be part of those discussions. A decision will be taken after that meeting, and there is a whole team of the High Command that will sit together and take a collective call. That's what Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge has said.
मैं इन सबको बुला के चर्चा करता हूँ. उस चर्चे में राहुल गांधी भी रहेंगे और मेरे हमारे दूसरे मेंबर्स भी रहेंगे, सीएम भी रहेंगे और हमारे डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर रहेंगे. तो इन सबको बुला के चर्चा करने के बाद निर्णय होगा. हाईकमांड बोले तो टीम है, अकेला नहीं रहता, टीम है. जब हमारी पूरे हाईकमांड की टीम बैठ के चर्चा करके निर्णय लेगा.
Well, let me go back once again to Imran. Neha is also with us, but Imran is currently speaking to a Congress leader as well. Let's get in a word.
And he has already said what we saw in newspaper is that he will discuss with Madam Gandhi and also Rahul Gandhi and take a decision.
So change of CM will be acceptable to you, sir?
No, whatever High Command takes a decision is acceptable.
As a cabinet colleague of Chief Minister, so would you think it will be okay for the High Command to go for change of Chief Minister?
No, High Command will take appropriate decision.
Imran, coming back to you, you spoke to a very senior Congress leader in the state of Karnataka. They've all, of course, pretty much said the same thing, that they'll wait for the High Command to take a decision. But who are the odds stacked in favor of in Karnataka?
Well, as of right now, the Chief Minister enjoys the majority of the MLAs who are with him. And in fact, he comes from a backward class community, and he has it comes from also from third largest community in the state, Kuruba community. So he also enjoys a considerable vote bank, what we call as Ahinda, the acronym for backward classes, other backward classes, Dalits and Muslims. And will that Congress will be gambling over it, considering DK Shivakumar, he's a Vokkaliga, where JDS already has a size of major considerable popularity among Vokkaligas. But as we spoke to BK Hari Prasad in the morning today, he said that it's not a question of social justice, a question of inter-party issues, and the High Command will take a decision on that. Now all the saga of the CM tussle is finally looks like coming to an end now, where High Command will be able to resolve it or give further fuel to much more fire to the already raging debate in Karnataka, whether CM will step down Chief Siddaramaiah or DK Shivakumar will be replaced, or this whole drama fight will continue. Speaking earlier today, the Kharge's President AICC Mallikarjun Kharge said that they have he's meeting Rahul Gandhi today at 3 p.m. and after that a meeting will be called of all senior leaders and who are part of High Command, and also Deputy CM and Chief Minister over whether to come to Delhi and to resolve the crisis.
Sure, Imran, stay with us.